Good morning. Hi guys, this is Primrose and welcome back to my channel. I have been away for too long and today I wanted to make an update of my succulent plants because when I came back I noticed that most of my succulents developed this beautiful color. So this jade plant here, it was completely green before and now it developed this slightly burgundy color and that beautiful a tinge of pink color on the edges of the leaves. And also this cactus before where before it was completely green, now I can see those tinge of purplish pinkish color and I like it. And also this tiny succulents here, so those brown spots on the edges I could barely notice it before, but now the color is more pronounced. Some of them suffered a bit of dehydration when I was away, and that one, it was very pink purplish when I came home, and once I watered it they are slightly beginning to fade. And same thing with this other jade plant here. As you can see, it's got that burgundy color and I'm liking it. So this one, when I came home, it was completely purple, and once it's been watered it's beginning to fade. Same thing with this one here. As you can see, it's got that pinkish color and edges that was never there before. And my stacked crassula, it developed that slightly burgundy on the edges of the leaves, and I don't know what happened to that. It cracked, and it's doing well though. It's not turning mushy or something. And this one too, it was completely purple when I came home 2 days ago. And my Echeveria agavoides, those color on the leaf tips wasn't there before, and I'm kind of liking it. But one thing I have noticed, all of these plants were parched when I came home, and as you can see, those sempervivum are still trying to recover. They closed up like a mushroom because of severe dehydration, and that Echeveria was flowering and I got clumsy. I was cleaning it up, it snapped. But look at that beautiful orange color. I think I'm gonna put it in a jar of water. So I'll still be able to enjoy it for a few days, for a few more days. And this planter, it was bushy before I left home 6 weeks ago, but look at it now. They stopped growing, and so this kalanchoy, the leaves were flopped all over the sides when I came home, and they were lifeless, but I think it is recovering slowly. And same thing, that color on the edges of the leaves, it was never there before. And this one as well, it was completely green and it developed that burgundy color on the sides of the leaves. And my Echeveria pearl, it's got a little bit more purplish. It was slightly pink before, and yeah, so that's what the hydration can do to these plants. And that one is very leggy. I think I will have to cut it back. And that one, it lost some of the leaves, and I do not know if it's going to recover. So most of my plants were parched when I came home, and yeah, I think some of it will not be able to recover anymore. And this one, it was lacking luster, and it has recovered very quickly. So I will make more updates of my plants, of my house plants, in the next few days. I am still trying to nurse them back to recovery because most of them were parched. I was just on time, and my husband was sick. He was in the hospital for a few days, and that's why he was not able to look after them when I was away. So that is all from my garden today, and I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.